Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Toyota Camry. This one is a 2008 model. What you need to do is go to the passenger side, open the glove box, and right here, this is the shock that prevents the glove box from going down too fast. So there is two notches that you need to squeeze towards each other, these two, and pull the shock to the side. And then you need to press the glove box on both sides. This is preventing the glove box from going down. There is one on each side. And right there the air filter is. Usually they're pretty bad, not very many people replace them, but if you want good clean air in your cabin, there is two notches on each side, one on the left, one on the right side. So okay, this is the cap coming off, and the air filter, the arrow should be pointing up if you need to replace it. Okay, you can see how bad this one is. It's never been cleaned. Let me show you all the stuff that's gonna come out of it. Right there. So we're gonna go ahead, order a new one and put it back together just the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if the video was helpful. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.